Now, another question is question number 8 for the year 2016. The question states that explain how anaerobic respiration is applied in a real life situation. Explain how anaerobic respiration is applied in real life situation. The question number 9 Roman B, list the organs responsible for gaseous exchange in the following organism. The first one, you have been given the goat. Second one, grasshopper. Third one, frog. And the last one is tilapia. My lovely Form 4 student, this topic and this question has been derived from the topic of the gaseous exchange and respiration. Question number 9 Roman A has been derived from the concept of the respiration, and the question number 9 Roman B has been derived from the concept of the gaseous exchange. In order to answer the question number 1, you are needed number 9 Roman A, you are needed to have a deep understanding concerning the concept of respiration, the types of reproduction of respiration, and the application and their hypothesis in the daily life. While in question number 9 Roman B, you are needed to be aware on the concept of the gaseous exchange, the respiratory surface which are specialized for different multicellular organisms, because the gaseous respiratory surface of gaseous exchange for this unicellular organism take place by simple diffusion. While for those multicellular organisms, the gaseous exchange take place through specialized respiratory organs as like lungs, skin, gills, book lung, spiracles, tracheal system, and others. So, in order to answer this question, you are needed to have a deep understanding concerning the whole topic of the respiration and gaseous exchange, which is the Form 2 question. I have teach it here at Educare Media. For those who have not already studied this topic, you are welcome. So, by starting with the question number 9 Roman A, which need you to state the application of anaerobic respiration in daily life. So, by starting with the definition, anaerobic respiration, this is a process whereby energy is released in the absence of the oxygen. That's why you call it anaerobic. Anaerobic means that there is no oxygen. So this is a process whereby the energy is produced or the food is being broken down in the absence of oxygen. So anaerobic respiration differ in plant and animal. This anaerobic respiration takes place for both plant and animal. Where in plant end up with it take place within the yeast, it tend to yield this alcoholic respiration, while in animals it tend to yield this lactic inaitwa lactic fermentation, ambayo ina lead to the production of this pyruvic na lactic acid, lakini for this plant natokea katika production of this pyruvic acid. My lovely Form 4 students, in order now, after knowing the definition of anaerobic respiration, now you can state the importance of or the application of anaerobic respiration in daily life. So, the application of anaerobic respiration, we see that inatumika katika fermentation in plant and animal and in animal cell, ambapo ina end up with the production of different end product. In plant inapelekea production of this alcohol na vile katika production of the lactic acid. So, what are the application of this anaerobic respiration katika daily lives? The first one, anaerobic respiration is used in the production of food and beverage such as bread, beer pamoja na wine. Anaerobic respiration kwa mfano katika yeast cell inasaidia katika production katika kuweza kumua this dog during the kwa wapishi katika kuweza kumua unga ambayo inapelekea the release of this carbon dioxide. Vile kwa mfano wakati wa kutengeneza mikate, na vile katika production of beverage, kwa mfano kama katika utengenezaji wa this alcohol, beer, wine, anaerobic respiration ina take place. Another application, it is used in the production of biofuel. Vile katika production of biofuel, example ethanol. Ethanol is one of the good source of the fuel. Also yapo ni moja pia application of anaerobic respiration. Another application ni kwamba the treatment of the wastewater. Anaerobic respiration sadia katika removal of those toxic and killing those microorganisms within the water, so as to make them to be safe. Another application of this anaerobic respiration in the daily life ni kwamba breaking down organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Kwa sababu tumesema kwamba zenye ni the process of breaking down complex food substance in absence of of oxygen so as to release the energy in form of ATP. So they tend to break down this organic decayed plant and animal remains in absence of oxygen na kuweza kusaidia katika recycling, vile vile katika cleaning of the environment. So for any person or for any student was attempted this question na ameweza kujibu like this, alikuwa na access ya kuweza kupata whole marks. Now let us shift to question number 9 Romani B. The question number 9 Romani B states that listing the organs responsible for gaseous exchange in the following organism. You are being given the list of organisms. Now you are needed to be aware on their respiratory surface. This question, as I've already stated, that it has been constructed from the topic of the gaseous exchange and respiration. So katika gaseous exchange tunajua kwamba gaseous exchange is a process of taking in air or taking in oxygen and the release of the carbon dioxide via the respiratory surfaces. So different organisms tend to have multicellular organisms, they tend to have this specialized respiratory surface or respiratory organs. So we have given here the list of different organisms, and now we are needed to state their gaseous exchange or their gaseous exchange organ or their respiratory surface. By starting with the first one ambayo ni goat. Goat huyu hapa ni mbuzi. Mbuzi anapatikana katika which class? Katika topic yetu ya classification of the living things tumeweza kuangalia the members of the kingdom Animalia na vile vile their subphylum. Tukimwangalia goat anapatikana within the phylum Chordata katika class ya mammals. Goat moja ya example of the mammals. So goat huyu hapa ni mammals. So respiratory the gaseous exchange organ ambayo ni the organ ambayo goat anatumia for the gaseous exchange ni mapafu. All mammals wanakuwa wanatumia mapafu for gaseous exchange. The second one tumeambiwa grasshopper. Grasshopper huyu hapa ni anapatikana within the phylum Arthropoda katika class Insecta. Tumeangalia those member of the class Insecta wanatumia kitu gani for gaseous exchange. Kuna wengine wanatumia tracheal system na kuna wengine wanatumia spiracles. So the grasshopper yeye anatumia spiracle ambao ni small pores ambazo zipo katika abdomen nasaidia katika gaseous exchange. Another one ni frog. Frog vile vile ni animal ambayo anapatikana katika phylum Chordata katika class Amphibia. Frog ni double life, ni amphibia, meaning that ni double life organism, kwamba life cycle yake inakuwa ina depend both in water and in land. Like it cannot complete its life cycle without engaging in water. Kwa hivyo anakuwa na some features ambazo zinamrestrict kuweza kuishi aweze complete life cycle yake katika maji. Kwa mfano kama reproduction, they tend to produce this gelatinous egg ambao ni katika inahitaji maji kuweza kuavoid this desiccation. So frog kwa mfano akiwa katika larval stage anaishi katika maji, anakuwa anatumia gills for respiration. For gaseous exchange kuweza kuextract the oxygen. Vile vile akiwa katika land, kwamba amphibia ni moja ya organism ambayo haipo well adapted to the terrestrial environment. Kwa hiyo anakuwa anatumia both skin, ambapo anakuwa na moist skin, anatumia ile cuticular gaseous exchange, anatumia skin na vile vile anatumia lungs kwa ajili ya gaseous exchange akiwa katika terrestrial environment. So frog anatumia both gills, skin pamoja na lungs. And the last one is tilapia. Tilapia huyu hapa ni one of the example of the organism which is found within the class the phylum Chordata katika class Osteichthyes ambayo ni bony fish. So these are all the fish, they tend to inhabit the marine and freshwater environment. So those organisms which are found within the water, they tend to use their gill for gaseous exchange so to extract the oxygen. So kama unaweza kwa determine this organism with their kingdom, with their class level, so ulikuwa unaweza kaza kujibu hili swali kiurahisi zaidi. So let us answer our question. Tukianza na goats yeye anatumia lungs as one of the gaseous exchange organ. Tukimwangalia tilapia yeye anatumia gills. Tukimwangalia frog anatumia both skin, gills pamoja na lungs, na vile vile grasshopper anatumia spiracle. Thank you for your attention, my lovely Form 4 students. I would like to welcome you in keep on following Educare Media for Intellectual Development. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice moment.